situation at the OPD of RML Hospital is getting from bad to worse at this point in time. Patients are not being allowed to enter the OPD. You can see the kind of security that has been deployed over here. Bouncers have in fact been called to keep patients out. These are the same patients who were in fact given the requisite appointments by the doctors themselves to come here and attend, so that they could be attended, requisite medicines could be given to them. But here, I'll just try and show you the situation over here. Inside the OPD, you can see the condition. You can see the condition of these patients. These patients have been over here since morning. They were given the appointments from the hospital administration themselves. They have come over here. ये आज का ही अपॉइंटमेंट है
सर। हम लोग सर बिहार से आए हैं सर, 1200 किलोमीटर से सर। ये बताइए, जब आज इन लोगों को स्ट्राइक करना था सर, तो हम लोग का कल या आज सुबह नोटिस दे देती सर।
सर मैं बता रहा हूँ, अभी पेन किलर सुनो, अभी मैं पेन किलर खाया हूँ। मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, 6 बजे आ गया था। 6 बजे से यहाँ बैठा, डॉक्टर देख रहे थे मरीज। फिर कुछ स्टूडेंट आए, काली पट्टी बैठ के बांध के उठा लेके चले गए। आप हमें इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब दीजिए। मेरी भी संवेदना साथ में है आपकी, लेकिन आपकी डॉक्टर एक नौकरी नहीं होती, आपकी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है। आधे लोग जाइए, कम से कम जिनका ओपीडी कार्ड बना है उनको देख के तो जाइए। यहाँ सब गरीब,
सुबह 6 बजे से कोई देखने नहीं आया।
नहीं, हम लोग, हमारा नंबर आया, उससे पहले डॉक्टर देख रहे थे।
There's this another patient, we spoke to them as well. कैसी हालत है भैया आपकी?
सर कमी रहा सर, खड़ा नहीं हो रहा है। 6 बजे से लाइन में लगे हैं, 6 बजे।
क्या कह रहे हैं, डॉक्टर आया ही नहीं देखने आपको? या
आए थे सर, बैठे थे, उठ के चले गए।
अभी कैसी हालत है
सर हाल खड़ा नहीं हो रहा है सर, मैं मजबूरी में हूं सर।
क्या डॉक्टरों ने क्या बोला, इनका इलाज कितनी जल्दी होना चाहिए?
डॉक्टर बोला जल्दी इलाज करना चालू करा दो, ना तो 2-4 दिन में मेरा हाथ ले बिखर जाएंगे।
भैया कान के कुंडल बेच के आए हैं, अगर
बतलाइए।
कोई है नहीं।
So this is the situation over here. I'll just try to get you an exact sense of what is transpiring in this RML hospital at this point in time. Yes, the patients are also saying that yes, the situation, what happened in Kolkata is not right, but the manner in which these patients should have been attended, because all of them were already given their appointments with the OPD, and now today as well, the doctors went away. All these patients are now over here, or their family members are over here, feeling unattended, feeling unwell, no one to look up to, no one to see through. This is becoming a massive case, a massive headache for the administration now. Now, this has just happened in just the few hours that doctors did not respond to the patients. Just imagine what will happen tomorrow when the IMA has called for a 24-hour nationwide strike. The kind of chaos that is going to erupt is something that can only be imagined, or probably not imagined as well, because this is the situation that has transpired in the last 2 hours itself. The situation out here in the national capital is definitely getting troublesome by every passing minute. Yes, the doctors have called a strike across the national capital, the resident doctors, and the effects can be seen out here on ground zero. Currently, I'm at RML Hospital, where the OPDs have now been closed, and this is becoming a massive issue for the people who had in fact come over here to go ahead and take the advice of the doctors. You can see the condition of the patients. This morning, all these patients were in fact given the appointment from the side of the doctors. There were senior doctors who were present over here, who were looking at the patients over here. But the protesting doctors then eventually came and took the senior doctors away with them as well. क्या कह रहे हैं आपको डॉक्टर्स? अभी तक ओपीडी नहीं मिला है, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं मिला है, क्या कह रहे हैं आपको?
डॉक्टर नहीं मिला है। पहले इमरजेंसी में भर्ती थी, अब बोले शुक्रवार को आने के लिए। मैं शुक्रवार के आई हूँ, पर्ची भी बना दिए।
ये अपॉइंटमेंट जो आपको मिला था?
हाँ, ये पर्ची अभी बनाए हैं, जो डॉक्टर के दिखाना है। अगर डॉक्टर नहीं बैठे तो पर्ची नहीं बनाना चाहिए।
This is the condition over here. Most of these patients are in gruesome pain, who had come over here to get some sort of medicines from the doctors so that they could be relieved. You can see the situation outside the OPD over here. Patients are lying over here. They are waiting for doctors to come and attend to them. The situation is definitely getting from bad to worse with every passing day over here.
Well, chorus of doctors seeking justice is not just from Kolkata or Delhi. In fact, Hyderabad too has seen relentless protests spilling over the last 4 days. In fact, from reclaim the 9 protests led by women to now doctors here at the well-reputed Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences, one of the biggest run government hospitals here in the state of Telangana, located in Hyderabad, are in fact sitting here on a dharna seeking justice. So it's not just the doctors, trainee doctors, junior residents, all of them here have hit the street. In fact, they also held a march earlier on. I just speak to some doctors here. What exactly are your demands right now, and how are the hospital services affected?
So this has been happening time and again to the doctors all over the country. It is not limited to a state, a country. It is limited, it's all over the world. But at least we want protection in our country for all the healthcare providers, not just doctors. The incident that happened was the safest place that can be for a doctor. But still, it happened that the rape and murder happened. So usually earlier we have protested a lot of times for someone beating us, mob attacking us. Now it has gone to the level of rape and murder. So this cannot be accepted, and we want a Central Protection Act to be implemented as soon as possible.
5,000 के ऊपर गुंडा जो आया था उधर से पूरा ब्रिज भर गया था। वी वांट जस्टिस बोल के इमरजेंसी को तो पहले हम लोग का ये मंच को तोड़ा, उसके बाद इमरजेंसी में गया, अब तो 3rd फ्लोर तक चला गया था जहाँ IIT बिल्डिंग है, उसके ऊपर ही था चेस सेमिनार रूम। तो हम लोग का ये लगता है, सस्पिशन है, उसका इंटेंशन भी था ये क्राइम सीन को डिस्ट्रॉय करना। ठीक है, तो इसका जांच होना चाहिए।
So, when you speak of Mumbai, over the last couple of days, there have been several protests that take place in Mumbai. In fact, right behind me, I'll show you the visuals of how there have been several resident doctors. In fact, these are all members of BMC, MARD, who have all gathered here for this protest. Over the last 3 to 4 days, we've seen there have been several protests that are being held outside various hospitals, be that Nair, be that KM. In fact, also at Sion Hospital. Also, we've seen there were several candlelight marches, which were also taken out by this association. However, today we see all these resident doctors as well as those from BMC MARD have gathered at Azad Maidan. This is in fact the place where doctors from across the entire city would be gathering to protest against the incident that took place at RG Kar College at Kolkata. In fact, you see them holding some of these posters which say that no safety, no duty, respect women, reject violence. And in fact, they're all condemning this rape against doctors. In fact, they say there are constant violences that take place against some doctors. We try and speak to some of those who've gathered here for the protest and try and understand, in fact, what they have to say. In fact, as of now, when you speak of the resident doctors, some of them have also suspended services in various hospitals, though the emergency services continue. But in the aftermath of this entire incident, we've also seen some of these members go and meet the chief minister as well, putting forth their demands. And some of these doctors who have gathered here also say that until unless there's security that's provided to them, they will not resume service apart from the emergency services.